Thank you. Anyways, so yeah, we're going to have food, I guess, at a place. And there's somebody playing some violin stuff. So it's basically Canada Day, and this is what we're doing. Being not Canadians, but things, stuff like that. Anyway, she's ashamed of my vlogging.
I'm not.
It's all good. So we're gonna eat at this place.
Oh, that's a day. Taking it down.
Apparently it's really good.
Because it's your work.
Yeah, because I work here, so it's probably gonna be really good. Ooh, look at the fish bowl.
Oh.
Hi.
Is that the camera you were waiting for?
I'm vlogging right now.
Oh my god.
This is us vlogging. What you do to your hair though?
Dyed it.
Do you do?
I sell jewelry.
Lyric, this is
and
Brenna.
Hi, Brenna.
She doesn't like fries.
What's Brenna?
Exactly.
I'm right here.
Okay.
How are you in jeans?
Great.
Dog is so big. Anyways, so it's really hot, and we're gonna go get food now. So this is Blaze. Say hi to my vlog. Hey. Cooking. It's pretty awesome. We're eating at Fishy's on the roof. It's gonna be pretty cool. I like this place. Not because I work here, I'm not biased or anything. But it's pretty cool setup. And like a pretty epic view. So yeah. So we're at Victoria Park finally after dinner. Well, not dinner, but lunch. And what else did we do? Oh yeah, we went to the liquor store, and yeah, this should be interesting. I think they have like performers and stuff like that out there. So it should be interesting. First Canada Day on the itty bitty island thing that is also a part of Canada. So yeah.
Just on my way back to you. I'm gonna take my time. It's on my way back to you. But easy come, easy go. I'm trying to learn to take it slow.
Hi, just a beautiful evening at the park. Just waiting for the fireworks and whatever other events they have, but let's just enjoy it. Happy Canada Day.
And you see you get your little flag on your
Yes,
hair.
I'm representing with my little flag.
Yes,
As you can see, I'm representing.
yes. So yeah, I represent it also. Got my little flag. Wave. Oh, Canada. Our home and
I'm a real Jamaican, authentic, you know what I'm saying? You know? I don't know what to say because I don't know. What you guys normally talk about?
Just random stuff.
Alright, random stuff. You guys should hang out with me some days. You'll be entertained. I snap a lot.
Tell them your Snapchat and your handle on Snapchat.
I don't know it right now. So when I know, I'll tell you. But if you are interested in watching my snaps and getting to know me and be entertained the real Jamaican way, you know what I'm saying, you can add me up. Alright? Peace.
We are winding up our day at Victoria Park, and they're having fireworks. And look at all the people out here.
wow.
Jeez. Today has been a really fun day. Shout out to Canada for having Canada Day. Woo-hoo. He's so weird.
I know.
Anyways, so yeah, it's been a really good day. And here's to my first of many vlogs. Subscribe to my channel if you like it. There you go.
Oh, look at the jetpack thing.
Hey guys, it's Lyric. Hopefully you had as much fun watching my vlog as I had making it for you guys, and thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for taking time to watch my vlog, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Love you.